Hey, it's Angela, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a Medicare multi-step form or quiz funnel using LanderLab. And as you can see, I have my landing page ready, and I'm only going to Elements and drag and drop the quiz into my landing page. There are three ways you can create a quiz. You can start from scratch, create from template, or create with AI, which is coming very soon on LanderLab. And today I will create it from scratch. And as you can see, here is everything we are going to work on. This is a very clean and sleek design. And the first step, I'm going to ask them, what is your zip code? And the block here and search for zip. I'm going to reorder this, rename the step as zip. If you want to remove this label here, just delete it. And that's it. I'm gonna add another step and ask them, how old are you? Add the block and search for a number. This way they can only enter numbers and nothing else. This only will be enter your age. Delete this label here. Okay. And if you want to make this a required field, simply go to validation, turn the toggle on, and they can skip the step. Let's name this as age. Add another step and say, how can we reach out to you? I'm going to delete the button and I want to know their first name. Just simply click it. You can search for it here. Let's say I want to know their email. Click and boom, there you have it. There is nothing else you have to do. And I want to know their phone number as well. Okay, and one cool thing about the phone number is that we auto-detect the country code, so there is nothing you have to do here. If you want to have this required, simply or not, just simply turn the toggle on and off, and that's all. So now, in order to save our leads from here, I'm going to search for the submit button, and there I have it. Okay, I'm going to navigation and choose what happens after they submit their first name, email, and phone number. I want to take them to another step maybe, or go to step, which can be the first step, custom URL, do nothing, or just close the pop-up. I want them to go to next step because I want to add, okay, I'm going to add a loader and maybe we will be in touch with you shortly. Delete the button here and search for loader. And you can change the duration, how you can make in 5 seconds, 10 seconds, whatever you like. I'm going to leave it 5 for the moment. Okay, and we are going to click here update. Wait for LanderLab to auto-save this. And let's run a test together. As you can see, what is your zip code? Let me just add contact number. What is your age? 24. First name. As you can see, I cannot skip this. I'm going to add a dummy phone number. Okay. Submit. And here we have our loader here. And now let's see, if you go here and go to leads, you can see that our leads are directly saved into LanderLab. If you would like to know more about this, please feel free to reach out to me and I will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.